gần đây mới biết đến Steam mà.
Việt Nam là ít thằng biết tiếng Anh nên là nó tiếp cận
Cả
Steam
là
muộn.
Việt Nam kiểu phải mua game ấy nên là
Let's go, let's win,
Vâng.
let's win.
Let's go, let's go, let's
we can do it man.
let's go, let's go.
Easy easy easy.
Easy, go.
Go, go, go.
Go, get
Oh, no, 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 no. Back. Near you, near you.
Bye.
One,
Let's
one,
smoke
one,
it.
one.
Smoke.
One banana.
Go. Bye.
Here. One tap,
Full
one
này,
tap.
full này, back.
One day. I go away, I go away.
Go.
Ách.
Nice.
Ách. Đủ hai luôn, phê phải luôn. Tao đáp lửa mẹ, ba thằng xông qua nó giết tao.
No, near me, library.
Library.
Chết rồi, tao ăn lại nào được.
Oh, nice try.
Library. Ách.
Two library.
Xử lý dườm ra thế.
Inside.
Nice man.
Left side.
Oh,
Nice
man.
try.
Nice try.
Không hack này, không hack.
Thằng kia đeo tai nghe à? Thằng kia đeo hết đeo tai nghe à? Thằng kia kiểu đeo
Vợ
tai nghe
nghe.
thôi. Buồn cười vậy.
Có đeo nghe tiếng nói to vãi chả nghe luôn.
Free A to B.
Yeah,
Okay.
to me.
I go be with you, okay? You have Molly banana.
Nah, okay. A flashbang.
Molly đấy.
Molly ăn có lát đen.
Flashbang. Go back. Careful.
Ai phút đây. Ai.
Okay, it's me.
Oh, bite.
Careful.
Nó vào A rồi.
I think they go away.
Yeah, it's A.
Fuck. Go.
Nó đâu ấy? Maybe.
One đinh. Cái gì à? Quên mẹ cái chỗ đấy gọi là gì?
Mà check không kỹ này. Qua thấy nó. Ok.
Cái đấy gọi gì nhở? Pít.
Bitch.
Đọc nào viết thế.
Ante.
Fuck, I'm noob.
It's so good man.
So noob.
It's so good.
Хорошо.
What hala shock me.
What color
Nga.
shot?
Nice.
Okay. You need gun, bro. I buy you gun.
Harasok.
Okay.
Phải. Kinh nhỉ, bọn trẻ
Okay,
con.
I give you gun.
Còn tiếng Anh kinh nữa chứ.
Here. Okay, go.
Go.
Đi đã, đừng vào.
Oh, near. Banana.
Đi ở chỗ này. Đây ngồi.
Đâu?
Đây, mày vừa nhìn được ở dưới, vừa nhìn được ở trên lầu luôn. Ra trên lầu nó ít kiểu nó check mày ấy, nhưng mà mày sẽ bắn được nó.
Hey, help me.
Nó bi kìa.
Anh đi, đi. Ngồi đấy
Nice.
mày.
One more.
Cứ ngồi chỗ đấy. À, thôi về đi à.
Help me.
Wait.
One inside. Two banana. One more. Trời Đạt ơi, mẹ
Gạt.
đừng có sấy, mẹ bắn từ từ thôi, tao bảo mày rồi.
Sấy cũng được nhưng mà mày kéo xuống ấy.
Tao bắn
Mày đến
bắn
một
chết
cái
rồi
nước
đấy.
nào đấy thì
Thằng-
nó sẽ sấy ngang.
Thằng kia tao không biết nó ở đâu. Lửa
Không, mày
thấy
đừng sấy thật, đừng sấy. Mày bắn từ từ thôi, bắn 3v1 ấy.
FMG mà.
Cũng được.
Frag.
Oh, good.
Banana. Come back.
Careful. Đặt về đi.
Kìa, nó vào này, nó vào.
Purple.
Nó vào
Take
mid
a
này.
mid.
Lên lầu à?
Take a mid.
Okay, I support you, I behind you.
Dạ, ôi.
Nó xuống kìa.
Sao nó xuống rồi?
Bom ra đây. Nó nhảy qua mà tao không kịp, nó biết mày đấy rồi, nó nhảy thẳng vào
Where
trái
are they?
luôn.
Where are they?
Mày bảo thì tao không
Anh,
biết
anh,
đâu là bắn.
mẹ tao vừa bảo thì nó nhảy xuống rồi bắn mày.
One
They
library,
all
one
sight.
library.
Stay inside. Smoke library. Nice.
Mơ ơ, mà thằng này bị xạ nhanh ấy nhở? Two inside. Now try new low, new low.
Hãy bật vào mod đi anh, mod scout ra nghe.
Bắn vui thôi, mẹ bắn bằng trẻ con, bắn vui vẻ thôi.
Thế tao canh lầu cho binh em, mày mời lầu đi. Mày ra đấy.
Hey, someone go be with me. Không biết mày bé này Kevin. Bút lên đây này.
Này lửa luôn này.
Nice, oh my
Nice.
gosh. Nice team.
Where are they? Report please. Where are they?
Mid.
Low.
Where?
On B? Atlas.
Đặt bom A sao tao nghe tiếng tít thế nào?
Bên cuối à?
Fuck man. You so good. Purple.
Nghe mọi
Nice,
người
let's
to.
go. We can win.
Gì mẹ to gì?
I make thì nó to.
Mid đi có sẵn nó to ấy, chẳng nghe tiếng game mà.
Bé.
Chỉnh game to lên. Xong rồi lại giật mình.
Nó không chẳng nghe game mà.
Help ơi.
Đang về.
Tao bỏ ách đấy nhá, Khánh Minh ơi.
Đây tao ngồi chỗ này nhá.
Up slow. Nice.
Ách. Đổ súng ta đây. Quay mặt ra đây đặt.
B.
Yeah, it's B. Hey, last say.
Last say.
Bao lơ
Bom
Drop. Get bomb. Cứ ngầm đấy đặt đây.
Bowler. Ta đang đẩy lên rồi.
Tao đi vào đây.
Guys, I do not understand Russian English.
Nghe tiếng Úc với cốp à? Phải à?
Pit. Small pit. Oh, large pit. Nice. Check off.
Liếc ơi.
Guys,
Ôi.
I do not understand Russian English.
Let's show them who we are.
Я понимаю чуть-чуть. I
Nói cái đéo gì đấy.
understand a little bit.
One B, one banana.
B. No.
Incendiary.
Holy shit.
Tao ngoan cứt hả?
Where are they?
Throwing fire.
Oh, you so cute, man.
Nice.
Vãi.
One
Toàn
second
mấy
mid. Second mid dead.
Ok. Một thằng thôi. Đây trên này còn.
Last banana. Nice. Good team. Let's go. Green, you want off? I give you off. Okay, you buy off now.
I understand a little bit.
Fuck off.
Bật pick nó chửi từ bé rồi. Chết rồi, quên. Bên mua lửa rồi.
Throwing flashbang.
Quả vậy tham mình ảo ấy luôn, tao chờ 3 giây tao bắn luôn, đúng thật. Chết con điếm nhá.
Deploying flashbang.
Ui, tiếng ọp.
Do you understand what I say in translation?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, of course, of course.
Wow.
One day,
Banana.
one day, one day.
I'm pushing A.
Nice,
Incendiary out.
nice. Ôi chuối à?
Oh, nice.
I'm pushing T spawn.
Last
Hold on.
banana. Kẹp luôn, đéo.
Bắt ổ không? Bắt ổ không? Bắt có. Ổ bài. Có thở 3 ổ à?
Sầu mà, sợ đéo này. Mày ngắm lầu đấy Khánh Minh, mày đi lên lầu mày ngắm, đứng lên lầu mày ngắm luôn đấy.
You are the best guys. They got ass fucked. Ha 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 ha.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Upper mid,
Sky
upper
cái
mid.
gì?
Holy shit, man.
Oh.
Throwing flashbang.
So simple. You simple. You simple.
Yeah, 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 I'm simple, I'm simple.
I think it's B.
Okay, okay, wait. Nice! Oh my god, nicely. Nice. Let's go, let's go.
You are the best guys. They got ass fucked. Ha 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 ha.
Gì cơ?
Nghĩa là bọn mày giỏi thật. Bọn nó bị đá đít.
Shoot everything that moves. Flashbang.
Bé này tốt bụng nhở. Biết điều ấy. No one banana. One go away, one go away.
Throwing a
Okay,
grenade.
okay, I go away.
So...
Thằng lợn kia đắp còn chết rồi.
Say!
Oh no.
One A, one A.
Library.
T side. One T side.
One baller. Two baller. Fuck off! They raped me.
Go away, go away.
Full A. Pit.
Throwing fire.
Planting.
Flashbang. Bomb has been planted. Throwing smoke.
Where are they, where are they? Fuck. One near,
Cái
one
mặt
near.
này.
Are you from Vietnam? I love
Yeah.
Vietnam. They're very beautiful.
Sau mày ra đây.
Nice.
Phải sau đâu.
Yeah.
Có một thằng đằng sau nữa.
Trong lại. Trong library ấy.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Chơi thằng trẻ con buồn cười ấy. Let's go, let's win, let's win.
Move it.
Win.
Throwing flashbang.
Pink side
Do you know the Russian nation?
Yeah. Putin, I know Putin.
Ha ha ha.
Putin.
Biden.
No.
Trump.
Biden là trong một
Biden
Mỹ
là
mà.
ông Biden.
Biden của Mỹ mà.
Obama man.
One off despawn.
Deploying flashbang.
Đừng nhảy ra off ấy.
Smoke.
Nó cho
Chạy
phải
bé đi,
trên.
chạy bé đi.
Full jump.
One off mid. Off mid.
Library.
À,
Lâu. Chưa
khôn
bắn.
phết nhở?
15.
Hai.
Pit.
Bên phải ra đây. Đằng sau. Đây ngắm đấy đi. Ốp ấy nhá.
Sang đấy được, đi sang đấy được.
Đấy, ốp mà. Không mày cầm ốp đi xếp được.
Biden or Trump?
Cái con thỏ sao?
Ram.
Strum. Mẹ.
Thì ai à?
Are we rushing in? Or are we going sneaky beaky like?
Trump wanted to fight the
Mẹ
Russians,
luôn nha.
huh?
Mẹ luôn nha. Oh my god, I'm simple.
Yeah, simple.
Laying down smoke.
Lầu.
You know simple man? You know Navi?
No, Navi. I am Boomich.
Lầu có. Lầu
Oh
một.
yeah, boom it.
Play me.
One day.
I'm perfect.
Ow,
Lầu cái gì? Lò.
Này.
Sắp. Oh fuck.
Knife.
Gây gun. Fuck off.
Knife.
Yeah, man.
Nice man. Nice team, let's go. We are Navi, okay?
Yeah, I'm perfecto.
That's like a that's like electronic.
Cái gà.
Beat. Mẹ bố được tên là Beat. Edit của đồ pha đi.
Мы лучше команды нами, ха-ха.
À, thằng Beat quên mất. Tao cứ nhớ thằng Flammy. Lâu lắm nhớ xem giải.
Đâu đấy?
Đâu cũng được, tàn rồi.
Để mít.
Chuối á.
One more.
Có mít.
Thằng nữa chắc em biết.
Oh, the best, we are better than the team.
Beat.
One pit.
Go
Two mid.
Boiler.
Go plan. Green.
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 Fuck man.
À,
Đỉnh.
thằng ách à.
Nice.
Nice.
Baller.
Nice.
Dream team.
Navi man, we Navi.
Mẹ tí không biết tí nó mời không nhỉ?
Oh, the best, we are better than the team. Navi, ha. Just kidding.
Là cái gì ấy?
Tiếng Nga. Chuyển sang tiếng Anh. Lol.
Nó bảo mình có Navi. Mợ chất vãi luôn thằng bé.
Go B.
Các bạn đi. Hai thằng. Ôi đi. 3 B. One more.
Slow. Negev. Oh, back kề. Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
You're so
Go
good,
in.
man. One baller.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice team.
Bomb has been planted.
Chơi game thân thiện thế này mày bảo.
Con gà spin này.
Go B.
Ok.
Hai con gà spin này.
Look at chicken.
Oh, they spinning.
Molot.
Về.
Okay, I'm Molly.
Molly.
Lửa.
Lửa xanh. Một thằng ơi. One near.
Smith.
City.
I'm throwing smoke.
Dễ đạt. Check sai chưa?
Chưa.
Chúng mày phải đi. Xong thằng nào ra?
Be clear.
Bị clear cái am vẫn còn.
Plan.
Nóc này.
Rồi.
Nice.
Helping you. Nice, you're so good, man.
Спасибо.
О.
Last say.
Knife.
Knife.
Come.
Ây sai. A side last.
Oh
No.
man.
What is good in Russia? How you say good in Russia?
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Tao phải reset nó.
Phải succublit mean.
Rep cái. Điên lên
Bảo
đấy.
thế mẹ thằng trẻ con này.
We love you.
Ah, I love you too.
Nice.
Nice.
Throwing fire. Smoke. Fire.
One arch, one arch.
Negev đi.
A
Go
side.
away. Go. Don't.
Arch, arch.
I.
Planting the bomb.
Vậy.
Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
Xem tiếng Nhật.
Dễ thở quá. Trong
Me
mày,
năm me thì cũng như này thôi Đạt ạ. Tao
Điên
khuyên
à?
mày bắn năm me.
năm em
Thì
khổ
mày gánh
vãi.
hết mày rồi thì chả dễ.
Красивый.
Got you.
Crasivi,
Ờ.
Crasivi.
May mắn rồi. 912 mà.
Navi.
Thế này không phải từ Nga hay sao ấy.
Help me.
Oops.
Pushing me.
Bye, lost.
Địt mẹ đẩy nhanh nhiều. Cầm dao phi thẳng lên tao ấy.
Pushing mid. Cứu nó đi Đạt. Cứu lên,
Sao cho bọn sau nó móc ra.
cứu nó đi.
Hold.
Về A, back A.
Thằng con nó chạy đâu rồi?
Shoot me go away.
Đây à. Mid.
Negev
Behind you,
đi.
behind you.
Two mid.
Nice.
Ôi thôi vậy.
Simple.
Nice try.
You can is.
Nó bắn giỏi hơn mày.
Nó biết vẻo quá. Ảo quá. Yeah. Đéo cần giáp luôn.
Whoa, nice.
Chưa nghiêm túc cho thằng này thắng game phát.
Chứ.
Ra rồi.
Nó chết nhiều nhất team. Phế.
Go B.
Careful, they push mid. OP. Go away.
Nó sẽ ngồi trong pit ấy. Trong pit với cả cái chỗ mày bảo ấy. Ngay bên sát
Đã
phải.
check đi. Đã check đi. Để bom mà lộ đấy bạn ạ.
Ngay bên phải thôi.
Có thằng nào?
Balcony.
Ừ. Biết ngay mà.
Đấy ta đừng
Rồi.
có giết nó.
Library.
Dưới chân đâu ấy?
Library. Tốt rồi đây. Đinh đủ các kiểu.
Last guy mid.
Whoa, nice.
Let's go.
Very good.
Thank you.
Drop me.
Go B.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm Molly.
Molly. Flash. Higher.
Be careful, push mid. Nó luồn nhiều ảo nhỉ?
Think the naked again.
No,
Pushing mid này. Pushing mid.
Mày bắn không chứ? Không bọn tao chết hết từ giờ này.
Hết.
Nice.
Nice.
1B, careful.
Let me go first.
Đách.
Check back on đi. Check side.
Vài.
Inside.
One side. Ui, thằng này rùa quá. It's okay. Trời, thằng kia câm lặng rồi. Thôi bọn mày đi B đi, tao canh đẩy không? Canh đẩy sợ quá. Đấy mày thấy vai trò của thằng đi sau rồi, thằng đi riêng ấy, là mày phải canh cho nó đẩy team mình ấy.
Push B.
Ô vài.
Đúng ấy.
Đúng như được. Ê, mi lên.
Going there.
Nó còn mở hết cả mình.
Fuck này kìa.
Dạ.
Go here, blue A.
Chết rồi.
Sai A vậy mày? Check sai A á.
Chưa.
Think. Last 2B.
Careful mid.
He's slow. 77.
Where?
Quite slow. He's mid. They're going inside.
Thắng rồi.
Safe.
Vậy
tao 25 máu thì mợ. Giết thằng kia. Mẹ vừa đổ trên beat cái bắn ngu hẳn. Bị perfecto.
Blue. Drop everything.
Bắn đâu? Đây tao bắn AK, tao bắn ốp đây.
Ha.
Careful push mid.
Go.
Ngáo thật đấy. Nice. Wow.
Mid. Left side. One mid. Left side. Edge.
Mở
Con.
smoke sai à.
Kia ở đây.
Nice. Ace.
Ace.
Đát. Sao mày
Đát.
bắt cướp ấy của mẹ thằng ngu.
Hả?
Mày vừa cướp pentakill của thằng kia ấy.
Super.
Đến là ngu.
Ừ.
Nice man.
Very good.
Bảo vệ thằng bé rồi.
I love you.
Okay. I love you too.
Nice.
Push mid. 3, push mid.
Negev.
Ơ ịt mỡ.
Vợ chó của bạn.
Ăn theo xin được 3 lần liền ạ.
Ghét mấy thằng bắn Negev ấy nhở. Tao chơi nó. Ghét của nó vào cái.
Mỡ
À, cái mid đâu?
thua
Mày
toàn
vào B.
đi bít cay vãi cả lồn ra. Thằng nào đi lầu ấy thì đầu tiên nhìn lầu thì nhìn sang phải trước cho nó đẩy bít không. Thằng chiếm chuối thì cứ chiếm chuối thôi,
Dạ,
đừng có đi đằng.
có.
Upper
Lồn
mid.
mẹ thằng Đạt.
Upper mid. Pushing B. They push. Nice.
Vãi lồn rùa.
Nảy đến đầu luôn.
Push mid. Ai.
Nice. You're so good, man.
Last round. Zeus.
Ok.
You are bullish. Very good.
Ủa đi ra hạn bít pick luôn đi em đẩy hộ cái.
Lên đầu. Tao check mid đâu.
Đẩy chuối này. No bomb drop.
Bắt mũi à.
Chứ còn đi đẩy chuối mà Đạt.
Push. Orange, push. Go, orange. Nah, fuck. Nice.
Offer.
Lục bát. Đổ súng nghe tiếng đúng không?
Hả?
Đổ súng nghe tiếng.
Ừ. Trận đẩy đi làm ơn thì mợ cứ bị đẩy chết cay vãi luôn.
Ghét mấy thằng này ghét với một.
Go B.
Đạt nhá, mày spawn đẹp nhá, mày chạy ra mình mà nhìn trái luôn. Sao có đẩy bít không?
Tao cho quả một lốp vào cho mình
Tao
bảo
chết đây.
mình canh trái
Đừng
thôi.
có
Push me.
cả.
Chưa biết rồi.
Pushing me.
Molotov nó đẩy qua Molotov luôn chứ sao nữa. Hay, nice.
Mình bảo mình giữ đấy tao mới đi.
Last B. Go away.
Low.
Đi ai.
No, boy. No.
À,
Went up.
what's up?
Nice man, nice.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, you so good man. Boom Mitch.
Goodbye. Very good.
Đây khẩu súng.
Goodbye, simple.
Goodbye simple. Này, tốt quá, tao phải kết bạn với nó.
Ai, sen spray. Suốt ngày rock khổ này nhở? Tao hỏi.
Come on man. Hai 24.000 một tháng ạ, cay thì vãi luôn. Ô sớm nhở, bây giờ cũng 11:30.
Đi sớm mà.
Thì mẹ game nó lại ăn rank, nó đéo dính, nó đéo tính vào rank luôn ạ.
Thôi bắn 5 e đi.
Cái nữa.
Phê luôn. Christian Eriksen. Ai đá cái bỉ mà ăn trước thì ngon này.
Đéo kịp át nó rồi. Cay quá.
Chỗ trận trước ấy, sang trận trước ấy.
Chứ nó đéo hiện, ăn rank nó đéo hiện cơ.
Hiện mà, tao hiện này.
Của tao không hiện. Your map đúng không?
Cái mà cái bên cạnh looking ở recentimet ấy.
À, được. Rất tốt bụng. Sẽ add friend nó. Thằng nó tên là Dead Inside, nó ghi Dead Inside ạ.
Gì?
Dead, nó tên là Dead Inside ấy, nhưng mà nó là tên nhầm là Dead Inside đấy à.
À, that is it. Thì mẹ nó để private à? Hay sao? Đéo có gì vậy?
Không, nó level 0 ấy, nó không mua game.
Friend 12. Homer Simpson.
Đi. Bây giờ nạp 500.000 vào nữa là đủ mua dao rồi. Được. Khi nào gạo kèo bỏ long 500.000 mới được.
Gã đi y hỏi bắn kèo đi.
Đây.
Mệt thế. Chơi gì anh em?
Chơi gì đây? Ui, cách ly mẹ của anh em ơi.
Cách ly rồi á? Có công văn nhá.
Holy shit.
Có công văn nhá.
Đây. Chưa có. Xong mới có rồi.
Chơi game thì đá bóng á. Mà không chơi được đông người.
Có game
What's up, guys?
đá bóng cũng chưa được trên 3 người đúng không? Chưa chơi trên 2 người đúng không?
3 người đá được. Đá FIFA đá 3 người được.
To my
Thật đó, đá như nào?
Thì điều khiển một trận đấu nhá, thì mày cứ đổi bình thường đá một người thì nó cứ đổi qua đổi lại đúng không? Thì 3 người thì ba điều khiển 3 thằng cầu thủ xong cứ đổi qua đổi lại như thế thôi.
À, đá thử không?
Đá FIFA Online 4 này.
Tập nick mới. Tôi sao quên mật khẩu cấp 2.
Đá 3 người thì chơi nick sao cũng được. Chơi bằng đội hình của tao nhưng mà chúng mày phải có nick. Tao đội hình MU. Cái này là xét nghiệm
server for
thôi.
Minecraft. So I did a
Mẹ trợ
video
cốc
on
lếu ấy.
1.15 on how to make a forge server. For an example, how to make a Minecraft
Bọn này ở
server
đây
and
thì
use
kéo được
mods on
ngủ
it so you can
luôn,
play
kiểu
those mods
mẹ
with
đang ngủ
friends.
xong
So I'm
ngồi
gonna
dậy mẹ xét nghiệm.
Có chung cư kìa, cả chung cư cho thế cách ly luôn.
Ở đây có chung cư á?
Ở bên phải ấy. Chung cư là khách
Đó.
sạn đấy.
Ở đây khách sạn. Thằng ấy ở khách sạn mà.
Chết rồi,
Thằng tài xế.
chấm hết rồi. Đá đây. Nếu như mà một trong hai thằng nhiễm là anh em mình phải đi khai báo ấy. Mẹ dạo này bọn tao toàn chơi luôn. Tao đi Lào Cai
Chơi gì?
chơi.
Chúng mày lên mua quần áo.
Thịt mỡ.
Ngoài ta đi với ông Đạt nữa. Nếu mà ông Đạt bị thì mẹ cả cái trận bóng hôm nay bị hết. Cách ly toàn sân bóng luôn. Mà thằng nào sân bóng đi hết.
Holy shit.
Xong anh em vào mẹ chạy cách ly, anh em mẹ quay clip daily vlog.
chịu luôn.
Vui thế gì mẹ. Thâu đêm.
À đây.
Sleep over luôn.
Năm
Việt,
Apple.
Việt Nam Airlines phá sản á. Lỗ 10.000 tỷ trong 6
Đức
tháng.
chơi game không Đức. Bác hồng gào điện thoại ạ.
Được.
Update that tutorial video, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that for Minecraft 1.16, the Nether update in this video. So let's jump into the method and let me show you the whole process again. So we're going to install Forge not only for the server, but also for yourself, the client version. So that means we're going to install it for your version of Minecraft on your machine, and then also install it for the server method, so we can run it on the server as well. Now, one thing you have to know is you do have to have the same mods on both the server and client. So you need the same mods on your Minecraft version and the same mods on the server version. This is going to be to host the server off your machine. Obviously, if you pay for a server, you're not going to have to go through this process. That's even easier. So what you would do is you go to the Forge website, and by default, it will put you on the 1.15 version here to the left. Now you just click the 1.16 drop down, and the newest one currently is 1.16.1 because that's the most recent build. So you want to go and install the installer here. And when you install the installer, it'll take you to a little add link. You just wait 4 or 5 seconds at the top. Behind my camera, you'll actually see there's a little bit of a red button. Just click on the skip button, and it will download at the bottom down here. And it's a jar file, so you'll have to press keep on Google Chrome, and it'll download that to your downloads folder. So now we're going to jump into the downloads folder, and you'll have the installer. Now I've already taken the time to actually download this and just double test the whole process before making this tutorial. So I'm going to delete this duplicated file, which is the installer. And like I said, here's the test folder I made earlier. So we're just going to make a folder and call it MC server, for an example. You can call it what you want, you can put it wherever you want, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to put it into the downloads folder right now, just so it's really easy to access. So now what we'll do is we'll double click this Forge jar file to open it, or you just right click it, open with, and then press Java if you're having troubles opening it with Java, because sometimes it might open it with raw or WinZip, for an example, by default. So I'm just going to open up this Forge installer, and usually when you install it for your game, just your game version, no servers, you just click install client. So first of all, I already have Forge, for an example, but I'm going to show you anyway, just because it's easy this way. Click install client first, and make sure it has it in your .minecraft folder by default, and press OK. This is the first step you need. If you've already got Forge, you don't need to do this for your Minecraft version, but you need to install it for your version first before we can even cover doing it for the server. Now the reason for this is because all the players who connect need the Forge files just like what the server has, and they also need the Forge mods. So it'll say successfully installed the client profile Forge. That just means it's put it into your Minecraft launcher. And then after we've done that, if we open up the Minecraft launcher now, and we go into the standard launcher, you'll see there will be a brand new profile. Now one thing to note as well is you need to note that the server and also the players who connect to the server need to have the same Forge version. So you need to be having the latest 1.16.1 edition, and it needs to be the same release that the server uses. So when we click download installer like we did earlier, and we open up this Forge installer, make sure to install the client version, which I just showed you how to do, and then the server version, which I'm going to show you in a few moments. Make sure to install both of those from this one installer, because then they'll be the same version. That's super important. So if we click on this latest release here, we should be able to now find a Forge version. Now I already have it under a custom profile, but you guys will just have a Forge 1.16.1 version on this list too, and it'll probably be selected as soon as you load the launcher, but I've already installed it a while ago, so I had the vanilla Minecraft on the default profile. But here it is, 1.16.1 Forge, and it's under a 1.14 profile that I made ages ago that I modified, but you can ignore that. So we have Forge 1.16.1 here. This is important to know. So now we'll open this installer from the downloads again, but this time we're going to click install server, okay? Now don't install into the .minecraft folder this time. You can, but all the files are just going to be a jumble, and it's just going to clog your folder with loads of files. So click these 3 dots here, and I'm going to change the location. So I'm going to go to desktop, my name, and then the downloads folder, and then the MC server folder I just created. You need to find the folder which you created and select that as the file destination in the library. So while that's doing that in the that everyone uses. So we want to click on all versions, and we want to click on 4, and usually the last updated ones are 1.16.1 for the most part. So we can open Biomes Plenty for an example, and we can have a look at some of these other mods. Falling Tree for an example, and you'll see Biomes Plenty. If we click on Files, scroll down, and we press View All, or just look here, there is actually a 1.16.1 version. So just click this download button here, and we're going to install that. You can choose your own mods off this website. I'm just showing you an example of how to install these mods and how to run them on the server. And then I'm also going to install this Falling Tree mod. Make sure on the mod page that there's no other links to any other mods which you need to install to get those ones working, because sometimes they have extra mods which you need to download as well to let them run properly. So I'm going to download this 1.16.1 version 2, and press Keep, and then I'm going to close these website links. And you'll see now that in the background, our Forge installer for the server has successfully downloaded the server and installed Forge, so we can just press OK here. Now these mods here, the Biomes Plenty and Falling Tree, I'm going to right click and press copy, and copy these files, and I'm going to install them into my Forge folder first, and then we'll install them into the server afterwards a little later. So the reason I've copied them is we'll need them twice. So go to your Minecraft folder, should be pretty simple on how to go to here, just press there, type in percentage at data percentage, and press Minecraft. And then there should be a mods folder. If there isn't, you need to run Minecraft Forge from the launcher at least once. And when you do, you put them here in the mods folder. So I have some and press Minecraft. And then there should be a mods folder. If there isn't, you need to run Minecraft Forge from the launcher at least once. And when you do, you put them here in the mods folder. So I have some 1.15 mods, so I'm just going to put them in a random folder so I can use those later. You can ignore that. Just delete any mods you have in your mods folder already from older versions of the game, or put them in a different folder for later like I did. And press paste, and you should have all the mods you downloaded now in your .minecraft folder. So now we've put all the mods in locally into our game. Now let me show you how to set up the server, and we'll install them into the server too. I'll copy these again for later. Now we'll go into the MC server folder we created.
Guys, I'm going to get my tải mod pack.
And the first thing what you want to do is you want to double click the Minecraft server.jar, or right click it and open it with Java, whichever way works for you. And this will open up the server console.
Okay,
now this isn't how we're going to run it. We are actually going to use
yeah.
to launch this in a few moments. But as you can see, this creates a few files and folders. Now the first time this won't open, and you'll be wondering why no programs open. The reason why
Chưa có cá ngựa.
this doesn't open for the first time is we need to actually accept the terms of service. So just right click and press edit on the
Rồi càng
eula.txt
ngựa.
and it'll open up a notepad file and it
Rồi
says
càng ngựa
eula
chia
equals
bằng một
false. You can
party.
read this if you click on the link here, which shows you if you actually want to read the rules
Hơi
and terms and
lâu.
conditions. But for the most part, if you don't want to read it or if you just want to agree to
Có
it,
ba
change this
thằng
false to true
mẹ.
and press save. And this allows the server to run because you
Just
accept all the
super
privacy and the different terms of service
super
from Mojang and
fighter
Minecraft to be able to actually use the server.
Kỹ
So now that we've done that, we can actually double click the server.jar again,
mẹ
and this will actually run properly as it should do. So now you can actually open up the server with no problems whatsoever. So now we'll actually create some other files like server.properties, and it will open up the server console now, and everything should work seamlessly. It'll show you your memory use that it's using, and it'll come up with some different
For
things.
Fighter
And
là
once the
game
parent
ngày
spawn area,
xưa
this
đấy
means
á.
it's just generating the map and making sure the spawn set up with all the protection it has because there's a certain region that protects the blocks around it for the spawn in vanilla
Đây là
Minecraft.
có bản
And this is
online.
done, so we can just go ahead and just press X on this now, and it'll say server shutting down, and it'll take a few moments to close. This just means that we've actually got all of the files that we need in our folder now. We've run the server at least once. Then we want to double click this forge.jar file, and when we double click this, it will actually create some more files as well. And for an example, it'll create the config folder if it wasn't there already, and it'll also create the mods folder where we can put the mods inside. Okay, so now we can actually go in the mods folder and paste those mods which we copied earlier from our downloads folder that we installed in our Minecraft installation as well, and paste them in the server mods folder. So now we have mods in here. Okay, and it will also open up the Minecraft server console once more after it's downloaded all the right files when you double click that forge as well, and it'll say prepare and spawn area and done. So now, as you can see, it's actually ran the server as well, which is pretty interesting. So we can just close this again now, just like we did before, and we're going to right click on the forge jar, not the Minecraft server, but the forge jar. And the reason we're going to do this is we want to rename it because there's too many numbers and letters in this. So when we make the bat file to run the server, which is a console file, we don't want all these letters in because it'll make it harder to actually locate the server file that we need to run. So we're going to press backspace, and we just want to call this forge.jar. It doesn't matter about the version name anymore. Just call it forge.jar and then click off it. So now we have forge.jar, and then we want to right click and press new text document, and we're going to call this run.bat and press enter and then press yes to change it. Now if you don't have file extensions enabled in the Windows folder, this might actually just say run.bat.txt. It might create a text file. So what you need to do this isn't how we're going to always do it. We are actually going to make a special later. You can ignore that. Just delete any mods you have in your mods folder already from older versions of the game, or put them in a different folder for later like I did, and press paste, and you should have whatever mods you downloaded now in your .minecraft mods folder. So now we've put all the mods in locally into our game. Now let me show you how to set up the server, and we'll install them into the server too. I'll copy these again for later. Now we want to go into the MC server folder we created, and the first thing what you want to do is you want to double click the Minecraft server.jar, or right click it and open it with Java, whichever way works for you, and this will open up the server console. Now this isn't how we're going to always do it. We are actually going to make a special file to launch this in a few moments, but as you can see, this creates a few files and folders. Now the first time this won't open, and you'll be wondering why no programs open it. The reason why this doesn't open for the first time is we need to actually accept the terms of service. So just right click and press edit on the eula.txt, and it'll open up a notepad file and it says eula equals false. You can read this if you click on the link here, which shows you if you actually want to read the rules and terms and conditions. But for the most part, if you don't want to read it or if you just want to agree to it, change this false to true and then press save. And this allows the server to run because you need to accept all the privacy and the different terms of service from Mojang and Minecraft to be able to actually use the server. So now that we've done that, we can actually double click the server.jar again, and this will actually run properly as it should do. So now you can actually open up the server with no problems whatsoever. So now we'll actually create some other files like server.properties, and it will open up the server console now, and everything should work seamlessly. It'll show you your memory use that it's using, and it'll come up with some different things in the console. And once parent spawn area, this means it's just generating the map and making sure the spawn set up with all the protection it has because there's a certain region that protects the blocks around it for the spawn in vanilla Minecraft. And then it says done, so we can just go ahead and just press X on this now, and it'll say server shutting down, and it'll take a few moments to close. This just means that we've actually got all of the files that we need in our folder now. We've run the server at least once. Then we want to double click this forge.jar file, and when we double click this, it will actually create some more files as well. And for an example,
Closite.
Clan 1 giờ 19 phút 20 phút.
The hell, man. Cùng mở
example, it'll create the config folder if it wasn't there, or spawn setup with all the protection it has, because there's a certain region that protects the blocks around it for the spawn in vanilla Minecraft. And then it says done, so we can just go ahead and just press X on this now, and it'll say server shutting down, and it'll take a few moments to close. This just means that we've actually got all of the files that we need in our folder now, and we've run the server at least once. Then we want to double click this forge.jar file, and when we double click this, it will actually create some more files as well. And for an example, it'll create the config folder if it wasn't there already, and it'll also create the mods folder where we can put the mods inside. Okay, so now we can actually go in the mods folder and paste those mods which we copied earlier from our downloads folder that we installed in our Minecraft installation as well, and paste them in the server mods folder. So now we have mods in here, okay? And it will also open up the Minecraft server console once more after it's downloaded all the right files when you double click that forge as well. And it'll say prepare and spawn area and done. So now, as you can see, it's actually ran the server as well, which is pretty interesting.
What the fuck? Đâu chạy? Cái lòn gì vậy má?
So we can just close this again now, just like we did before. And we're going to right click on the forge jar, not the Minecraft server, but the forge jar. And the reason we're going to do this is we want to rename it because there's too many numbers and letters in this. So when we make the bat file to run the server, which is a console file, we don't want all these letters in because it'll make it harder to actually locate the server file that we need to run. So we're going to press backspace and we just want to call this forge.jar. It doesn't matter about the version name anymore. Just call it forge.jar and then click off it. So now we have forge.jar. And then we want to right click and press new text document. And we're going to call this run.bat and press enter and then press yes to change it. Now, if you don't have file extensions enabled in the Windows folder, this might actually just say run.bat.txt. It might create a text file. So what you need to do is you need to download Notepad++ because that'll let you save bat files. So we'll right click on run.bat and you can press edit if you've just got Notepad, but I'd recommend downloading Notepad++, which is a better version of Notepad. It lets you save different versions of files, which we'll need for this. I'm going to click edit with Notepad++. The link will be in the description below on how to actually use Notepad++ and how to install it, because you're going to need that first. So I've got a little thing here, a little code. I'm going to copy and paste this. This is the code which you need to use, okay? I'm going to try and remember to put this in the description, but if I don't, pause the video now and type this out. I'm just going to zoom into this now so you can actually see it really well, so you know exactly what to type out if I actually forget to put this in the description. You need to copy and paste this, okay? Or you need to type this out manually. So Java just shows that it needs to run Java.
Đây, làm đây.
Bạn này, không biết cơm sườn bì chả ngon không nhỉ?
Cơm sườn chả như nào?
Tấm ấy.
Ngon, cơm tấm ngon mà. Sao mà mai mày đi ăn à?
Thấy độ Missy xe me với cả Piu Piu mở quán rồi.
Nhơn. Kiểu Piu Piu
Tiên
bán bánh
hạt.
mì mà.
Mệt quá.
Các gì vậy trời? Đúng má mày.
I'm savage.